Hi guys, so another new part for my car. Here you can see it. This is the front bumper license plate holder, this detail. So it came to me, my car was missing this part, and now I will install it on the front bumper. It is not original, but it is a good quality part. Here you can see the part number and the maker of it. I ordered it from Germany. Also, there are available genuine ones, but they are very expensive. So here you can see the front bumper, the place where it should be, but here is empty, nothing is mounted here. So now I am going to install this plate holder and show you the final result. Uh, you know that after the holder is installed, you must attach the plate frame on it and then put the license plate on this frame, and this will the way how it will look when you install this puzzle on your car. Here guys, you can see that I have already installed this plate holder. It is mounted by 4 bolts. Here you can see them, and I have done my best to mount it to the right place. Every gap is right now, and it looks very good. Here is how the frame is mounted on the license plate holder itself. Also, it is mounted with 4 bolts very securely. This frame holder is a W210 one. So now I will put the license plate on it and show you the final result. Here we are, everything is done, and the look of the front bumper with this holder is simply better than it was when the plate number was attached without this holder right into the bumper. Here it is how it looks now. Everything is black and everything looks very solid, so I am very happy. So this was a little tutorial guys. Stay tuned, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.